Hey y'all, so the TV's a little loud, so we were watching the movie. I'm missing the end of it because I gotta make this video. If you haven't saw the first Texas Chainsaw Massacre part I did here for part 1, go watch that because obviously this video will probably spoil it because I'm doing a part 2 right now. So go watch the first one if you haven't already. So basically, you hear the movie, but don't worry. Just deal with it. You'll probably hear my voice too, so just, So, told you'll probably. So, out here, nothing happened. Just we got a balcony. But the main thing is, I have that door right there open. Which, that is where we saw him last time. So if he's there this time, he might be able to get him, but I'm going to go outside this time. Because it's going to be a little bit... So if he's there this time, he'll probably still be there. So yeah. And here's the shirt I was wearing in the previous Texas Chainsaw Massacre part 1 that I did. I don't know if he'll still be in the kitchen area this time, but he might be because so he could be in there, probably out that window. I hope he's not here because this is where I'm gonna be if I see him. But if he's here, he'll run on that side. Or if I hope he's not looking at me either, because it's gonna be surrounded by him. So yeah. I know he's not inside because like I had my dad control the area to see, because we have the front door locks, we have all the windows locked, and we just had that one door open, which that is kind of weird. So he's patrolling that area and also watching the food, and it's going off. Hold on. One sec, y'all. Dad! Time's going off. Yeah. So, I don't think that.
They don't fit on there tight, so if it don't go that way, spin it.
So I have a bow and arrow. Oh, this is fake. I'm not gonna use a real one, to be honest. I think it's about time y'all been waiting for. I'm gonna go outside. I hate doing this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's so dark. If you guys want to turn night vision, I don't have night vision. There's my golf cart and the hot tubs over there, and the lights. I don't know. He's usually probably back there somewhere. Okay.
They're really hot right now, okay?
Gotcha. It's probably over there too. I'm gonna zoom in, see if you see him. Oh my. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the door how it is. I saw him. That was so scary. Y'all, that was so scary. Comment who I should hunt for next. Okay? That's gonna be scary. And I will turn the comments on because I'm pretty sure my comments are turned off for some reason. I'll turn them on though, don't worry. That's no wonder I get no comments on my videos. I say, yo, the comment. They're turned off. That's the whole reason, I guess. I doubt he'll come in because he knows that he'll, you know, there's multiple people are in here. Because Texas Chainsaw likes to approach victims when they're all alone. Which, if I went outside by myself, I would be alone. That means alone, y'all. I would not be. I only out there by myself. But yeah. It's scary. So I'm just like, still, I'm gonna be at, my dad's like house right now. That's where I am right now. So yeah, we found them. So yeah, oh my gosh. Go. It's like, I'm like, go. You're not allowed here. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, here's your home for next if I turn them on, and subscribe. I'll turn the comments on down below. Don't worry.